Hey, y'all, we just helped a family. It was a veteran and his wife and their two little kids purchase a home. And we did this by making sure that they were qualified, not just qualified, but they were prepared, they were ready, they were educated, and that they could certainly move forward in the home buying process. And if that's you, we'd love to help you in the same way. One thing that we do for veterans, I wrote a book called Homebuying Secrets for Veterans. It is a great tool that just walks you through the ins and outs. I'm not here to sell the book like at all. You can find it on Amazon if you want it, but if you're a veteran and you want one of these, I'll just give you a copy. All you have to do is send me your info and I'll put this in your hands, and it'll help get you prepared for buying a home. Talking about everything from how to find a mortgage loan officer, how to find a real estate agent, what to do about home inspections and the appraisal process, and all the steps of the puzzle that need to be put together so that you can purchase a home. If that's you and you want more information, feel free to reach out. We'll be glad to help you any way that we can so that you can find a place where you can live, work, and play.